Good afternoon, this is Brett Zucker at Ritchie Cadillac Buick GMC. Right in front of me is your 2020 GMC 2500. Heavy duty, diesel, 6.6 liter. This is a beast, beautiful truck. All the options you can think of. Heated and cooled seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital dash, heads up display, bird's eye view camera system, rear view mirror camera system, multi-pro tailgate, backup cam, backup sensors, front sensors, lane departing warning, even has a bed camera view, side blinds and alert in your mirrors. It's really a masterpiece of a truck. We have quite a few to choose from. My name is Brett Zucker again. You can reach me at 386-871-7841, and we are located at 932 North Nova Road. Please give me a call as soon as you can and get you in here and possibly take a test drive. Take care.